want to cover here with the charts, and I want to cover gold. Okay. With gold, I think what's happened in the markets is we've had this euphoric buy, and I've seen queues online of people go in to buy bullion, some videos of Australia, some other videos internationally, I think in the US as well. And to me now, it's looking very euphoric. And yes, of course, it can move up higher and et cetera, et cetera. But around this level, this is maximum risk. This isn't maximum opportunity. Maximum opportunity was 3.3K when we were discussing it on my channel, and I was discussing it on social media as a key buy-in opportunity here. And you would have made close to 27% in just over 2 months, just under 2 months. So that's maximum opportunity, not here. And the real opportunity on gold is actually finding the key moment to short it. I've already opened a short around 4.3, 4.4. I think it's around 4.3 something, 4.325. And we're looking now to just try and see whether this shows some weakness. Okay, I'm just going to lower this a little bit just to free up the chart. We're looking to see here whether we see some weakness. And yes, we can move up higher. We want to make sure that it doesn't clear 4.38. 4.2 was where we bought it, where we entered short. And now we have plenty of room for this to dip back down now and revert to a mean. It has to revert to mean. It has to do a dip. It's common sense. It's just mathematics. Nothing will move up forever. It has to do a dip. It has to do a sell-off. People will be taking profit, and that's what we're playing here for that short. Just looks so good. It looks really good for the short. Yes, it could go up higher. We take that risk. It's fine. And the short potentially takes us back to the 20. We haven't tested the 20 in a while, or just below the 20, which would be around 4K. So 0.3, 4K. How much do we make on that? 6%, 5%, depending on the actual price that it hits. Yeah, about 6-7%. We could. I personally think it goes all the way down here to 3.39, so around 8%. That's the opportunity that we see in gold right now, or at least I see in gold, and I've shared with my community as well as I've traded myself actually a position here against the market. Again, very risky because obviously we have the euphoric buying, but I think the risk is actually on the long side rather than the short side in this situation. Silver as well looks very similar, and again, short position around the 52.9 level was a good entry, and we now have the opportunity to go to around 49, maybe even as low as 47. These are kind of levels I'm looking at. Probabilities are in our favor. Even if we get a little bit of a rise, I think we, double top is fine. And then we go down again anyway. It's just whether our stop loss gets hit. Very unlikely, but we'll see. So yeah, maximum opportunity, maximum risk on the high if you're buying long, maximum opportunity here for the short. So it's kind of like a no-brainer. The dollar, I mentioned in previous video that I think it will move up higher, and it's starting to show some signs. I would like it to clear this 98.7 level and then move up higher. I want to see it around the 100, maybe even 101. That will get us to kind of experience a mini drop in the broader market. With the dollar strengthening, we'll get the gold drop in, we can get stocks drop in as well, and maybe some cryptos before we accumulate again. I think that will be a nicer move and logical move, but the markets don't have logic sometimes. So we kind of just have to analyze the situation. But I'm seeing it, and again, if you connect everything together, it looks like it could easily just one day trigger this move, and then we go back to 100 and we get a bit of a sell-off in the broader market.